Hi, we are R-Shiny app research team from Penn State. Our research group used the R-Shiny package to develop the book of apps for statistics teaching, which includes concept explorations, concept demonstration challenges, and game-based quizzing modules for both lower division and upper division stat classes. In this video, we will discuss this programming and research experience and demonstrate some of the apps we developed.
Hi, let me start with one of the lower division apps, the effect of outlier under the data description chapter. In this app, users can specify the population mean, the standard deviation, the sample size, and also the value of the outlier by dragging the slider bars. The histogram and the box plot will change simultaneously, which allows users to get a better understanding of how outlier can affect the distribution of the data. After clicking the Go button, here, we can see the default set of parameters. If we change the value of the outlier, while keeping other parameters the same, we can see the shape change of the plot and how skewness affects the mean and the median. Then, the sample statistics are also a useful reference for the user.
Next, let me introduce the data visualization app. This app includes simple data visualizations and advanced data visualization sections. On the simple data visualizations, we introduce how to create some commonly used plots toward a single variable and two variables. With ggplot and rplot for one variable visualizations, the user can select plot package between rplot and ggplot, and select different datasets and variables and preview the dataset to try out how to create plots. And we also provide detailed and featured R code for it. On the two variables visualizations, user can select different numeric variables and categorical variables from the left panel and try out how to visualize two numeric variables with one categorical variables. Then we can go to the exercise part. The exercise part includes the quiz portion, which can provide feedback to the users to test their understanding toward basic visualizations R code, and we have an interactive portion, try your code. User can type in their code and get results instantly by clicking the run button. We also provide the start code that reflect to the quiz problem. User can uncomment and use them as a starting point. For the advanced data visualizations part, we start to introduce visualization techniques on more complicated datasets, which include maps with ggplot and poly, 3-dimensional plots with poly, 3D-based scatter plot, and 3D text plots with 3 variables x, y, and z. 2-dimensional light plot with poly, and counter plots and heat maps.
Let's see one of the apps for the upper division classes, the homogeneous Poisson process app. This app is built for showing the plot for homogeneous Poisson processes. For the prerequisites and the overview page, we introduced several basic properties for homogeneous Poisson process and the instructions on how to handle the explore section. Let's move on to the explore part. In this page, we have different plots for homogeneous Poisson process, the residuals, and the interval time distribution plot based on simulated exponential prior. There are 3 sidebars on the left. The interval rate, the total number of events up to time t within a certain period, and the number of Poisson processes that will appear. Look at the x-axis for time. If the users increase value for the interval rate, the time for the homogeneous Poisson process would decrease. And if users increase the value for the total number of events, the time would increase conversely. And if users move the residual path bar from 1 to 5, the users would then see 5 different homogeneous Poisson processes to appear simultaneously. In this way, users would compare the differences between the homogeneous Poisson process under the same parameters and see that the interval time would follow an exponential distribution. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any questions, please contact us.